What comes to mind when you think of the ultimate dog vest? One that keeps the owner and dog in mind. Whether it is hot or cold, wet or dry, light or dark, or even when there are loud noises or fireworks. Meet the Alpha Vest, the ultimate 10-in-1 hybrid vest for dogs. Ordinary dog vest might protect from the cold or the rain once in a while, but they are not there for your dog all year round. Alpha Vest is different. Our innovative product is the only vest geared for dogs and all their needs. Alpha Vest has 10 smart features that revolutionize the traditional dog vest. There is the inner pocket, where dog owners can insert our specially designed hot and cold gel pack, which is included with the vest. The gel pouch is 100% reusable and it will keep your dog warm during the winter and cool during the summer. Our next generation vest also wraps itself cozily around your dog and cradles your pet to help with anxiety. The small weight of the gel pouch cuddles and provides an added layer of anxiety protection when used. So, the next time there are loud noises or fireworks, your favorite pet can feel a whole lot calmer. The waterproof finish and reflective lining protect your best friend from rain and darkness. Plus, we have created the vest to feel light enough to be worn all year round. The Alpha Vest also has 3 smart cargo pockets to carry your dog's favorite treats, which according to the barked feedback from our doggy focus group was clearly their favorite feature. However, not all of the Alpha Vest features are just for your dog. Our next generation vest was designed as an all-in-one product. Alpha Vest is equipped with a leash, a flashlight, and last but not least, a poop bag dispenser. The Alpha Vest also includes all the good stuff, like a durable stitch handle and D-ring, so you can attach your Alpha Vest leash too. Here at Alpha Outdoors, we strive to create innovative products, and our idea for the Alpha Vest came from the topic of, what is the ultimate vest for your dog? Back our campaign and help bring Alpha Vest to life. We can't wait for you and your dog to try Alpha Vest.
Look, this is Curio. This too. And this. Curio is a shelving system so flexible you want to keep changing it just because you can. And it's that simple. Take one of the modules and place it into the slits of the board. Interconnect as you like and create your own layout with ease. Hey, looks like an artwork itself. So, let's start decorating with your books, rocks, art. Anything goes, and really anything looks stunning in there. In case you run out of space, simply connect a second Curio, or third, or turn your whole wall into the most curious place. Well, time to get this beauty produced and into your homes.
Hi, my name is Markus. I'm the designer at Von Morgen, a small German label specialized in high quality and timeless interior products. We've already produced a range of concrete tableware which takes the material to unexpected levels. Rocky is another fun product we recently released. Both a stool and side table, depending on the orientation. It's rocking due to its bottom-heavy concrete base. And now it's time for Curio. We've spent the last year developing this shelving system, testing different materials and techniques, so this system really works and looks amazing. And we are now ready to get it manufactured. For the first batch of Curios, we need a financial kickstart, and that's where you can help out. We offer extra special deals for Curio with up to 50% off the planned retail price. So have a look at our deals and see which of your walls could do with a bit of Curio. By the way, an early version of Curio already won gold at prestigious A Design Award. We are very proud and looking forward to make Curio a success story. Thanks for listening. Stay curious.
How many table lamps can you actually find out there that look cool and do the job? Squiggle is the first of many new products from Broen Design that aims to take aesthetics to an all-new level on your desk. Broen is making a debut for Danish interior design on Kickstarter. And we are well prepared with many new furniture designs in the pipeline. I started Broen Design 10 years ago in the wake of the financial crisis. Many of our designs date back to those days where I had to put my business on hold. But drawing is essential to me. I want to make a living drawing furniture. And I want to experience the pleasure and joy beautiful design products can bring to people. Squiggle comes in 3 different sizes and many beautiful colors. So no matter the size of your workspace, Squiggle will cover it with beautiful warm light. I have many new furniture ideas that I want to bring to life. And I need your help to do it. So press the button on the right and soon enjoy the most beautiful table lamp on your desk right next to you.
Wonder Washer. It's a great alternative to hand washing or laundromat. I'm Vlad Dasijan. I have a PhD in engineering, and I invented Wonder Washer to change the way we wash. There is always a need for small loads between big laundries. Sportswear, daily wear, and personal items require freshness. Take a look at how much detergent remains in the supposedly clean clothes washed in a traditional way. It is your choice. A detergent on your skin or completely fresh clothes with Wonder Washer. Clean by Ozone, a natural defender and cleaner of our planet. Everyone remembers the clean air after a lightning storm. Ozone washed it. Ozone works as well as detergent, but it doesn't leave any chemical contamination in clothes and water at all. And you also need fresh air in your house. You get it with Wonder Washer. It's a bonus. Also save time and money on dry cleaning your clothes or sneakers from bad smells. Strawberries, raspberries, and bunches of grapes are difficult to wash and disinfect with traditional methods, but ozone in the water kills all bacteria within a few minutes. Used ozonated water is very useful to water the houseplants. Wonder Washer has been carefully designed to ensure durability and productivity. This device will make your life naturally cleaner.
Snoring. It keeps you from getting restful sleep and can be very unhealthy for you and those around you. Not getting a good night's sleep leaves you irritable, tired, and unable to focus. Ordinary pillows don't offer proper neck support, which can lead to pain. Plus, it's harder for your breathing pathways to stay open properly. These pillows are porous and absorb all your sweat and body heat, creating a petri dish of all sorts of bacteria, mold, dust mites, and allergens. Sleeping on these bacteria can lead to asthma, allergies, colds, and getting you sick. Here at Dr. Pillow, we have your prescription to a better night's sleep. The Carbon SnoreX, the world's first ergonomic 8-in-1 pillow with the anti-snore neck support channel that helps relieve neck and shoulder pain, reduce snoring, plus superior bacteria protection to keep out harmful allergens. Our first generation armrest pillow was loved by our customers with 5-star reviews. And now we've upgraded and made it even better. It's the only pillow with 8-in-1 technology that helps reduce your snoring with enhanced cervical support, which also helps alleviate pain, protects you from bacteria, and keeps you cool at night so you sleep better. There's the carbon bamboo charcoal to absorb moisture and prevent bacteria growth. The anti-snore neck support channel that helps open breathing pathways. Air cell technology for enhanced breathability and airflow. Bounce Tech memory foam that cradles you for maximum support and helps relieve neck pain. Infused copper for antibacterial protection and skin benefits. The ice cool cover that is cool to the touch. Air Vortex breathable mesh for enhanced cooling. And dual armrest for superior comfort. The Carbon SnoreX anti-snore neck support channel offers optimum support to help relieve neck and back pain, while it opens up your breathing pathways to help reduce snoring. Plus, it's great for everyone: side sleepers, back sleepers, and stomach sleepers. The Bamboo Charcoal Bounce Tech memory foam provides better support, spinal alignment, and relieves your pressure points. The activated bamboo charcoal carbon helps prevent moisture, mold growth, and allergens. The air cell technology keeps a constant airflow so you stay cool while you sleep. The pillowcase is made with our advanced engineered ice cool cover that keeps your body cool as it wicks away moisture so you sleep better. Studies show that you sleep better in a cooler room. Look at how much heat is generated while using this ordinary pillow. The Carbon SnoreX remains cool and comfortable. The inner copper cover protects you from harmful bacteria, germs, and other allergens. Copper technology has been touted for its antibacterial properties and was even tested by NASA. The dual armrest gives you unlimited comfort no matter what position you sleep in. It's even great for reading or watching your tablet. Plus, the Air Vortex breathable mesh provides additional airflow, moisture wicking, and cooling. The Carbon SnoreX helps reduce snoring by comfortably cradling and stretching the neck to help release pressure and pain. Side sleepers will love our raised dual arm support to alleviate head, neck, and shoulder tension, and ensure optimal sleep height to enhance spinal alignment. Enjoy superior sleeping comfort and wake to a loose, relaxed body ready to take on your day. We spend 1/3 of our lives in bed, and getting a good night's sleep is a key component to your health. The Carbon SnoreX provides healthy sleep with comfortable orthopedic cervical support, specially designed to reduce snoring. It feels amazing for your best night's sleep. You will wake feeling energized. Back the amazing Carbon SnoreX pillow and take the advice of Dr. Pillow to have healthier sleep, reduce snoring, and bacteria protection for your best night's sleep ever.